I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Guys, what's going on? Welcome to my video. Today I want to thank you guys for subscribing. I reached 100 subscribers today. I'm getting really good views on my videos, and I made a new thumbnail. And first of all, I want to say that I got a new mic today, so I'm going to be testing it out and using it for my future videos. I might get a more professional ones once my channel builds up. So I want to thank you guys for viewing my videos, subscribing. Alright, so first of all, let's go over to my swing call video that was over here, right here. I called BABA. If we go over here to the chart right here, I called it out like around over here when it was 168, and I told you I was going to buy in around 171, right, 172. After I got the alert right there, I got in around 170.50, as you've seen on my Robinhood swing, and then I got out around 175, and then I day traded on U stock trade for 175 to 176. And today, as you see here, let's look at the daily chart over here. So as you can see, let's zoom in. I got a lot of buy alerts right here. 177 just shot up to 181. I didn't get in because I was focusing on my swings from Friday, as I told you, as I made my video. Let's go over to that. Let's go over to stock trade. So my two swings were Best Buy and Target right here. So big thing happened today in the morning. I avoided a huge loss. So first of all, let's go to Best Buy. So I bought that. Let's go over here. I bought that 55s, or maybe in high 54s. Yeah, so about that, like around low 55s, or maybe even below, like at 54.80. And then I sold today, let's go over here, I sold today 55.37. So that was like more than 50-cent profit per share. And Target, I sold that. So what I did was in the morning, let's go to the chart. Alright, so in the morning, what happened was everything dropped, and I was a little worried because I thought the market would drop more, but they recovered and it slowly started going up. It dipped below 60, and I bought at 60.26, I believe. And then, so dipped below 60, but I was going long term, or sorry, swing call. So I was looking for like 61, 62 to sell, and then I added, so I had 30 shares from Friday, and then I had added 70. Let's see over here, 59.93, and then what happened was it just fell again more. It couldn't keep up right there, and then fell, and then I had to go to a meeting, so I just held through. I had like little time left, and I added here, and I was like, next time it goes to 60, I'll sell. And then as I predicted, it went to 60. Let's see, 60.16 right here. If you zoom in over here, but I sold around 60.05 range. Let's see, it sold 60.05. Yep, correctly, 60.05. And then I sold the rest of the 20 shares that I had my swing from Friday at the same price around there, around 60s. And then I did a small trade on BABA just for fun. I got in, let's see over here, at 180.58, and then I got out 180.11, but it just kept going up, and I didn't really want to mess with it. So that was like, I think a couple. Let's go back here. Here, let's just type that in so it's easier to see the transaction here. Yeah, at 10:15 today. So let's go over here, and then 10:15. That's, I sold right there. So 180s like mid 180s right there. And then let's go over to UVXY. So as I've told you in my previous video, that's an inverse. So when markets go down, this goes up. This is, if people short this, it always goes down. But when markets go up, markets go down, this goes up. So I got in here when I got my alert, and I got in here. Let's take a look at that. I got in at 15.98, and I told myself I was going to sell at least at 16.50 because I saw SPY was dropping. That's S&P 500. So I was about to. I waited here a little, came below 16 again, but I saw SPY falling, and I got the golden cross out alert right here, and then it went all the way to 1660s, and I luckily sold it there because that was very high. I thought it was going to go to 17, but it didn't. It pushed back down as SPY's recovering, and I sold at 1660. That's pretty much the high of a day. The high was 1664, so that was really good. That was 62-cent profit per share on there. So that was a quick day trade. I could have took a huge loss in Target, but not a huge loss, but it would have been a considerable loss on there. But I averaged down, and then I waited till it went up, and then I sold, and then I didn't get back in because, as you can see, it's dropping. Markets are dropping. They're finally dropping because I want to get into ETFs and long term and load up on the cheap shares. So that was a big drop, and that's when UVXY went up, and then now the markets are going down again. So in my future videos, I'm going to be showing you my long-term and swing calls on ETFs. But right now, I'm still waiting for the markets to drop. I want to wait for this to go below 256, maybe even more, and then they might recover midweek or until Friday today. So I'm going to follow my 2 to 3 day rule. I'm going to be playing carefully, lower amount of shares and taking profits faster and cutting losses faster. So on Target, I could have cut my loss in the morning today because it was right where I bought it on Friday, and then it went like 10-20 cents below, and I was gonna sell there, but I knew it was gonna jump back up, and that's where your intuition comes in, and that's, if you've been watching this stock for a long time, you know how it goes up and down. So that takes some time. So keep like 20 to 30 stocks in your watch list. Make sure you know them off the back of your hand, what price they're at right now, how they behave. Watch the news. You don't need to have like new stock every day. I've been watching these for like more than a year now, so I know how they perform. So just be careful with that. Be careful with the markets dropping. Set stop loss and cut losses and average down if you're going in long term. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll be posting more videos this week. I might be a little busy this week, so I might do maybe 2 to 3 videos, and I'll definitely do one weekly recap. Alright guys, I want to thank you for viewing all my videos. You know, my subscribers are going, so let's keep this going. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.